Your cake, anak? Wow! You're really a chef.
Mommy, look at me!
Ay, look at you! Wow!
Making shavings.
Ang galing-galing mo ng baby boy at baby girl.
And he's not.
Ang galing-galing mo ng dalaga ko.
More Play-Doh.
I don't know. You have to ask your...
And I was gonna make a square.
Square cookie?
Yeah.
Oh my. You're being a chef today? And ate? What your ate doing? Kag-pretty naman ang baby girl ko.
Look at me.
That's my first baby in the whole wide world.
Mommy, look at my first nut.
And this is my second baby in the whole wide world. I love my kids. Thank you, Lord. Hey, man, what you doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! What shape is that, son? Square. What about ate? What shape is that, my love? Ang galing-galing naman ng kids ni Maria.
Mommy, pizza?
Yeah, I took a video already.
Mommy, say picture.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
What is your name again?
That's what you're doing.
How old are you?
Cheese.
What about you? What is your name, girl?
Stephanie Faith Maria.
Your name?
Stephanie Faith Maria.
How old are you? 5. Good job.
Now I'm gonna turn.
Careful.
Mommy needs some more Play-Doh. I need some more Play-Doh, Mama.
I don't know where are the Play-Doh.
There.
Ate, can you give adding the Play-Doh? Are you keeping it or no?
Yes.
You have to keep it.
Okay. Mommy, look at my beautiful food. I'll tell you what are they.
What are you making?
4 cakes in one plate, and 1 pretzel, ice cream, and a sandwich.
Wow, you really have a talent for that. You're good.
Here, Mommy, picture.
That's Tita Jo gave us.
Mommy, Mommy.
Yeah, we'll do it. I'll read the instruction and then we'll
Mommy,
see.
picture me.
I took a video, not a picture. Yeah. You're making Play-Doh with it?
I made cake, a pretzel, and cookie.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's so nice of
Mommy, I'm
you.
making cheese. Mommy, picture me. I'm putting some cheese.
Okay, what you're making?
Cheese. Mom, what is your favorite dessert in lunch?
I like the cake.
Mommy,
That's so yummy. Yeah. You're making a cheese?
And he's making pretzels.
Pretzels?
Look,
Oh
look, Mama,
my.
what he's making.
That's a nice one.
Look. Mommy, watch this.
Go.
I'm making some pie after that. See?
Yeah.
The Play-Doh just got here.
Wow.
Mom,
That's a nice toy.
Mommy, you don't want to destroy it?
I will not destroy you.
I want to cut it.
Yeah, you go play the one there.
Mommy, release the... Ah!
What is that?
I'm
Ooh.
making pie.
Oh yeah. Dance, the two of you. San dance. Ay. Ano ba yan, dong? What a dance? Is a TikTok dance? Or really a real dance? Ay. Oh, ano po na dancing yan? Akoy. Ano ba yung mga dance na yan? Ay. What a dance.
Look at me, Mom.
Oh, come, ate, jub now.
Shut.
Oh my. Is it a dance or a TikTok dance?
How the TV?
Is that your class, son?
Yes.
Or you also learn with ate? What an exercise, boy.